Hi, so the next cocktail I'm gonna introduce, it is the Platamus Venom. He's a fun little character, and nobody of the other animals really know what he is. And they think he's poisonous, so that's why we're gonna make a Platamus Venom drink. So, first of all, we're gonna take 3 centiliters of lime juice, 2 centiliters of absinthe, around 55% in alcohol strength, not too much more, else the taste will get too much. Then 2 centiliters of gin, a little bit of peppermint liqueur. This one is Bolsk creme de menthe. Just 1 centiliter of it. Not too much, or else it's gonna taste all like toothpaste instead. And then 8 centiliters of apple juice. Ice. Give it a good shake. And then an ice-filled glass for the drink. Whoa! And here you go, a poisonous Platamus Venom.